How to add a counter on a website. A counter on a page allows you to display the values you need. For example, the number of customers, number of goods sold in the shop. In WebWave, we added the possibility of using such element. In the left panel, hover the cursor over the 3 dots icon and then select the counter. Our element can be edited just as you want, changing its font, size, and even color. In the settings panel on the right, we can set the number from which the counter should begin, the length of the animation, and enter your own formatting. Thanks for watching this video. Remember about 30% discount for your first website in WebWave Website Builder. Thank you. See you next time.